Hello and welcome back to Hot Topic Vlogs. Uh, the '94 Chevy Suburban rebuild project has been put on hold. Fortunately, the transmission is slipping. Every time you go into overdrive or drive, it wants to redline. So you gotta go first and second. It's an automatic transmission. It's like the 4L60 trans or the 4L80 came in that model. And I'm thinking of doing a transmission swap from automatic to a manual. And doing a paint like possibly like a gunmetal gray with like some kind of blue kind of blended in. I'm thinking maybe the gunmetal gray on bottom with the blue on the top. And I mean it's a 25-year-old truck. So I'm wondering what y'all's suggestions and thoughts on what to do with the build. I've been like I don't have right now. All I have is my phone, and I got this little camera right here that like the picture quality isn't all that great. I'm looking to upgrade the camera eventually so I could give you better content. And I mean, there's a lot of things like I recently off camera I took out the bed liner. I mean, not the bed liner, but the headliner. And I also removed some of the carpet because it was old and nasty. I mean, it was soaked. And taking out the headliner, well, it stopped the leak when it rains. Because it had a leak on the front driver's side and front passenger side due to a crack in the windshield. I got to replace the windshield. I recently bought an impact battery powered impact wrench. I mean, it does the job for what I need for now. It's a Black and Decker. I got it on sale. Came with the drill in the bag. Walmart, $64. When if you buy an impact wrench, most places it's $79 just for the impact wrench and up. It goes up to like in the hundreds. I'm needing to get a angle grinder. I need to get some kind of sander. I'm thinking go like maybe 80 200 grid, move up to like maybe the 800 grid to get some of the surface rust off the roof and off some of the sides. If y'all got any suggestions on what where to go from here, I'm open to any suggestions, and I'll go through and see what the best one is. Thinking about like different getting with maybe Army Tricks exhaust. I gotta reach out to them and see if they'll actually sponsor the channel, or like and go with a lift kit company. But I don't. And again, I'd have to reach out to find a lift kit company that I want to go with. Get maybe a 6-inch lift. Which is, if I'm not mistaken, I think 5.5 on the front and 6 on the back, and or something. And then get different wheels and tires, because it has the factory wheels and tires, and I don't like those wheels at all. Go with some kind airflow injection. Uh, any suggestions out there on what to do next? I mean, change out the radio. I mean, the speakers are blown. I mean, you got it on. You have to have it on high in order to actually hear any music. It's the factory radio. I mean, I already took out the tape deck. I mean, no one really uses the tape decks anymore. No one buys them. I mean, when people rebuild old vehicles, they generally delete the factory radios and go with an aftermarket, like a different brand. um, so any suggestions y'all got? Feel free to drop it in the comments. If you want to support the channel, down below, like you go into about section, and there's the PayPal money pool. There's the Patreon. There's a link to our Patreon. There's also a link in there for GoFundMe. So and also be sure to check out Dragon Wolf Vlogs. That's our family channel, as well as my wife's channel, which is Silver Lestat. All the links are down below in the like you go in the about section, and it's all down at the bottom. So, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and we'll see you in the next video.